Struggling to find where to change your Wise profile picture? You are not alone. It is tucked away in a spot that is really easy to miss. But in about 60 seconds, you will have a custom photo set. No more generic silhouette. Let us fix that right now. So here is the plan. First, you need to log into your Wise account. Then you just follow a few simple clicks to upload your new picture. All right, the very first thing you want to do is log in at wise.com. Once you are on your main account dashboard, look all the way up to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your current profile picture there. If you have never set one, it is probably just a generic gray circle with a person icon in it. Go ahead and click on that profile image. That opens up your account menu. Now, from that menu, you are going to click on your name or the option that says Your Account. This takes you to your personal settings page, and here is where the magic happens. You will see your profile picture again, but this time it is bigger. Hover your mouse over it, and a little camera icon appears right on top of the image. Click that camera icon. That tells Wise you want to make a change. A small window or a pop-up will appear. It will say something like Change Profile Picture. In that window, there is a button that says Select File. Click that button. Your computer or phone will then open up your file browser. This is where you get to pick the photo you want to use. Find a good picture of yourself. Make sure it is a clear headshot if you can, something that looks professional or just friendly. Avoid busy backgrounds if possible. Once you have selected the file, click Open or Choose. Wise will then upload the photo. This might take a moment to process, depending on how large the file is. Be patient here. The website is working in the background. After the upload finishes, you will see a cropping tool. This is the step most people rush through, but take your time here. You can click and drag the image to reposition it. You can also drag the corners of the box to zoom in or out. Wise wants a square picture for your profile, so the tool forces that shape. Make sure your face is centered and the crop looks good. Once you are happy with the framing, look for a blue button that says Save or Upload. Click that. And that is it. You should now see your new profile picture on the screen. It will also update across your Wise account everywhere. It is a small change, but it makes your account feel much more personal. Thanks for following along. Your Wise account is now customized and ready to go.